Hey you, happy anniversary. Can you believe it? We are celebrating our 10th anniversary together here on the Hungry Gopher channel with over 8.7 million views and counting, and it's been an incredible journey. Thank you for being a part of this community dedicated to kimchi and holistic health and wellness and healing using your own power. Your support has meant the world to me. Now, as we are celebrating this milestone, I want to hear from you. What questions do you have about getting clear skin naturally without recurring skin problems? What are your biggest challenges now? And what are your pain points? So I can make videos about it. Drop them in the comment below. And here's another 10 years of learning and growing together. Don't forget to like, share, and subscribe, and I'll see you in the next video. Bye for now.